Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. High impact event on the way here for tonight and into the day tomorrow. Winter storm warning in effect from areas around Highway 20 southward. And that'll continue into the morning hours here tomorrow with the snow and the blowing snow. Some places could see in excess of 6 inches of snow. As we head into the day on Wednesday, maybe maybe a snow shower, a few flurries south of Cedar Rapids, but no accumulation expected there. Now, it's going to be pretty windy here through the evening hours and into the overnight, and then as we head through the day tomorrow, that wind will gradually diminish. So with winds gusting at times to 35 miles an hour and snow falling, it will reduce visibility and any of the snow blow across the road, making roads pretty slick in addition to the snow falling on the road. So please, if you have to do any traveling here tonight, be extra careful and allow plenty of time. Here's a look at future track. Northern counties aren't going to see a whole lot because of a northeast wind with some dry air. It's all going to be across our southern counties here with the heaviest of the snow expected. And at times the snow will be falling heavily as well. Snowfall rates could be up around an inch an hour at times. And as we get towards the morning hours, as the sun comes up, some of that snow does make its way to the north, but by then a lot of the intensity of that snow area-wide becomes a bit lighter. And the light snow eventually tapers off as we get towards lunchtime, and then a cloudy sky for the rest of the afternoon. Maybe a little sunshine by the time the sun sets here during the evening hours. So with that in mind, again, from Highway 20 southward, 6 to about 10 inches. There may be some isolated 11 or 12-inch snowfall amounts. Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, Washington, Tama. Then you get up to about Highway 20. That's where things start to get a little more complicated or difficult to see. We're looking at 3 to 6 inches across the area, right along the Highway 20 corridor, I guess you would call it. And then we've got that northeast wind, and it drops off the snowfall amount from south to the north pretty quickly. So in a very short distance, you can go from 6 inches of snow to maybe 3 inches, or 4 inches of snow to maybe an inch of snow just in a matter of a county, maybe 10 miles in some cases. So the snowfall amounts will drop off very quickly as you go farther to the north, though. Farther to the south, though, at least 6 inches in some cases, up around 10, maybe 12 inches of snow. As for tonight, snow area wide. Heaviest of the snow will be in our southern counties. Teens for overnight lows. Winds gusting at times to about 35 miles per hour. During the day tomorrow, snow tapers off by noon. Temperatures will be in the low 20s, low to mid 20s. And that wind out of the northeast about 10 to 20 miles an hour, that will start to back down as we get into the late afternoon. Here's your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Wednesday, we'll have clouds around. Southern counties, Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, a brief snow shower, a few flurries, no accumulating snow expected. Temperatures will be colder in the teens to about 20. Sunshine mixed in with some clouds on Thursday. That's going to be a cold day, and temperatures will start out down around 5 to 10 below zero for that day, only warming into the mid-teens. More clouds on Friday, temperatures in the mid-20s, and then warmer still as we get towards the weekend as we track another storm system that will have some impacts here in eastern Iowa when it comes to rain and even some snow accumulation. Temperatures will be back into the low 30s here for the early part of next week as the weather starts to quiet down.